Good morning, kindergartners. Today we are on page 42 of your student journal, page 42. And our objective today I will identify, count, and write numbers 10 and 11. So that's what we're going to work on today, numbers 10 and 11. So let's look at our vocabulary. Our first number is number 10. Number 10. Okay, and if we count them, and remember when we count, we've been crossing off. Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the way we write 10 is we write a 1 with a 0 behind it. So that's the number 10. Now sometimes we call this a 10 frame, and when you see the 10 frame filled in, you know that all 10 are there. Okay, so that's called a 10 frame. Okay, let's look at our next new number for the day is number 11. Number 11 is one more than 10 because look at, I have a 10 filled in. This is all 10 like we just counted. So this is 10. And then one more would be 11. So I have 10, 11. Okay, because when we see this 10 frame filled in, we know there's 10, and then one more is 11. And the way we write 11 is a 1 with another 1 behind it. So that's number 11. Okay, down here they show us that 11 is one more than 10. So we go 10, and our next number would be 11. Okay, and then they also show us on a number line, because we've already learned our numbers 0 through 9. It's really, really small. And after 9, we have 10 and 11. That's where our numbers are on our number line. Okay, so boys and girls, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to match each object to each number in standard order. So standard order just means we're going to be writing our numbers. And then we're also going to identify the group of objects with the last number counted. Okay, so I'm going to get started on my problem with my red pen, boys and girls, so you're just going to watch for a moment. And here's my first problem. My first problem says, how many objects? Write the number. Okay, so I have my pen ready because when I count, I want to cross off so I don't miss any. Okay, ready? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 objects. So the last number I say, that's the number of objects there are, and that's the number I'm going to write. So 10 is a 1 followed by a 0. That's the number 10. Okay. Let's look at my next question. My next question says, identify and trace the number. Okay, so here's a number, and they want me to identify it. This is a number 11, and it's a 1 followed by another 1. This is the number 11. Then it says, circle the group of objects that represents the given number. So are there 11 here or 11 here? Well, I need to count them then. So I'm going to count them both and look for which one has 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, I counted 11 there. So I think that is my answer. I'm going to check this one though and see how many is in this group. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that group only had 10. So they want me to circle the group of objects that represents the given number. Here's my number 11, so I'm going to circle this group. Not this group, because that group had 10. Okay, let's try some of these together, boys and girls. We are on page 43. So if you can grab your pencil and join me on page 43, that's what we're going to work on right now. Okay, page 43, and here is our first question. It says, how many objects? Write the number. Okay, So how many objects? So get your pencil ready so we can cross off as we count. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 objects. Okay, so when we write 11, we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna go down to make a 1, and then we're gonna start at the top and go down to make another 1. So 2 ones next to each other is the number 11. Okay, let's look at our next one. This says identify and trace the number. Okay, so what is this number? This number is 11. So we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna go down to make a 1 and start at the top and go down. So it's 2 ones together making 11. Okay, then it says circle the group of objects that represent the given number. So we have to count these. They look like baby strollers. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I only counted 10 there. Let's write a number 10 here, boys and girls. It's a 1, so start at the top, followed by a 0. So I think this is my answer, but let's count them just to check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, that group had 11. So we're going to circle the group that has 11. Okay, you're going to keep practicing the numbers 10 and 11 today. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.